So what I've done here, I've just modified the frame a little bit so we can put the 5.8 gigahertz Boss Cam transmitter in there, and we're going to go straight off the GoPro. Okay.
Drop the sunnies.
And let's hook this thing up. 2 seconds. It's quite, the colours are quite good.
Oh, is this coming out? Here John's flying his Postpak from his GoPro 2.
Yeah.
He's complaining about the lack of focus.
Well, the image isn't as sharp
as the security camera.
Not as sharp as a security cam. Let me just see if this thing actually flies first in the swing.
Alright, here's a little test flight.
So, recording on the GoPro. And let's see if we can't get this thing done.
It's looking pretty good. Is that in stabilize or is it in acro?
Acro.
Yeah. Just whack it in stabilize. I'd just be interested to.
Stabilize?
Yeah. Is that it? So that's in stabilize now?
That's stabilized now.
Oh yeah.